and that's ahead of the Kenyan Rio Olympic trials.
The race to the Rio Olympic Games is slowly taking shape just a few months before the Rio Olympics Kenyan trials scheduled for July. World and Olympic champions were among athletes who turned up for the day one of the Athletics Kenya track and field meeting at the Kipchoge Keino Stadium as the eye of the Rio Games. Kenya's lethal 3,000 meters triple chaser Ezekiel Kemboi stepped down to the 1,500 meters race, where he won his heat in 3 minutes 47.7 seconds ahead of Zablon Chumba, Kenneth Bet and Kiprop.
Kwa sababu ni kupi kwa sababu shangu stipo ya 3000 na ine mtunzo ni katikati leo ninakaa nusu alafu kule Olympics na msimamo.
Three-time 1,500 meters world champion Asbel Kiprop also stepped down to the 800 meters race, which he won in a blistering time of 1 minute 45.2 seconds ahead of James Mangut and Ferguson Rotich.
Nakimbia kwa kasi 144 seconds hapa. Ni muda wa kasi na idani ni muda wa uwanja.
1,500 meters Ryan Nixon Chepsabo on his side stepped up the distance to the 5,000 meters race, where he won his heat as world steeplechase silver medalist Conseslus Kiprop won the other heat. Lynn Washira, KTN News.